What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best budget gaming laptops in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In search of a budget-friendly yet reliable gaming laptop in 2024, the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 may just fit the bill perfectly. This laptop has been designed to cater to your gaming needs without burning a hole in your pocket. Although it might not create an immediate wow factor with its initial presentation, it proves its worth with its gaming capabilities and upgradability options. The IdeaPad Gaming 3 is powered by a mid-tier AMD processor and a slightly advanced NVIDIA graphics chip, providing you with the necessary horsepower to run your favorite games. It also boasts a decent array of ports, allowing you to connect other devices such as external displays, keyboards, and mice for a more immersive gaming experience. This Lenovo offering delivers excellent value for money, making it an optimal choice for first-time gaming laptop users or casual gamers who enjoy playing leisurely games alongside their work or studies. However, it's worth noting that the more you invest in the initial components, the better your overall gaming experience will be in the long run. The laptop's screen is fast, although the color quality and brightness could be improved. Where the IdeaPad Gaming 3, like many others, falls short is in the memory and storage department. It comes with a basic 8GB RAM, which you can upgrade to 16GB, and a 256GB SSD drive for storage. Nevertheless, if your gaming preferences lean towards older or less demanding titles like Stardew Valley, Among Us, Minecraft, Borderlands 2, and Cuphead, the graphics chip's memory should be sufficient. These games also don't consume much storage space, so the limited SSD capacity won't pose much of an issue. There's also an open slot for expanding the RAM to 16GB, and the SSD can be replaced with a larger one if needed. The laptop also has its share of other features and design elements. It comes with a physical privacy shutter for the webcam, a comfortable keyboard for typing and gaming, a smooth touchpad, and decent speakers. Aesthetically, it sports an angular look with light blue accents and heatsink fins visible from the rear. For the listed price, we are beyond impressed. Up next, meet the Asus TUF Dash F15. Known for its affordable price and impressive gaming capabilities, this laptop has been hailed as the top choice for budget gaming laptops in 2024. The Asus TUF Dash F15 is a 15.6-inch gaming laptop that doesn't compromise on performance despite its budget-friendly price tag. Equipped with either Intel Core i5-12450H or Core i7-12650H CPUs and an array of NVIDIA RTX 30 series GPUs ranging from RTX 3050 to RTX 3070, it delivers smooth and responsive gameplay. This laptop is armed with the 12th generation Intel processors and NVIDIA's discrete graphics, both of which contribute to an uninterrupted gaming experience, even with graphics-intensive AAA games. Even under heavy loads, the laptop maintains consistent frame rates, ensuring your gaming sessions are never compromised. However, it can get quite warm and noisy, but this doesn't impact the overall performance. The 144Hz display may exhibit occasional ghosting due to a slightly slower response time. The powerful combination of the latest Intel processors and NVIDIA GPUs makes this laptop ideal for tasks like video editing and 3D rendering. Despite the heat generated under heavy usage, the performance remains largely unaffected, though the fans can be a bit noisy. The laptop's build feels robust and sturdy, yet it remains conveniently lightweight and compact for portability. The 12th gen Intel CPU can effortlessly handle a variety of productivity tasks like document editing, spreadsheet management, and presentation creation. For more intensive tasks like video editing, the discrete GPU is up to the challenge. The large screen facilitates multitasking, but the brightness may be insufficient in well-lit environments. The keyboard, while spacious and tactile, can be slightly exhausted for prolonged typing sessions. An additional feature, the Mux switch boots, enables direct communication between the GPU and the display, enhancing performance and reducing latency. For the listed price tag, you just can't beat this one. Introducing the Lenovo Legion 5, which we believe is the most outstanding mid-budget gaming laptop of 2024. We sought a laptop that balances a powerful CPU, a capable GPU for occasional content creation, and a high-quality display. The Lenovo Legion 5 fits the bill perfectly and offers some other impressive features as well. Sporting an all-plastic construction, the laptop is bathed in a dark blue hue, referred to by Lenovo as phantom blue. Complementing this primary color is black, used on the vents and the bottom panel, creating a pleasing contrast. Despite its plastic make, the laptop boasts a sturdy build quality. The flex in the chassis is commendably minimal, considering the materials used. When it comes to ports and connectivity, the Lenovo Legion 5 doesn't disappoint. The left side houses a USB-C port and a combo jack for headphones and microphones. The right side accommodates a USB-A slot, a physical switch to disable the microphone, and a small power indicator light. The majority of the ports are positioned at the rear of the laptop, including an Ethernet port, another USB-C port, 3 USB-A ports, and an HDMI 2.1 port. Both USB-C ports support DisplayPort 1.4, but only the latter allows power delivery charging. The FHD screen is a standout feature of this budget gaming laptop. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, an IPS panel, and a refresh rate of 165 Hz, the matte finish display delivers excellent performance. The viewing angles are great, and we didn't notice any backlight bleeding. The screen's maximum brightness and contrast ratio exceed average standards, and the color accuracy is impressive. Powering the laptop is the AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processor, an octa-core CPU with a base clock of 3.2 GHz and a boost clock of 4.4 GHz. This processor is more than capable of handling school or professional tasks. The laptop includes a 512GB PCIe 3.0 SSD, offering decent speed without significant drop-off when running on battery power. Rounding out the package are other great features such as a bright and fast display, a comfortable keyboard and trackpad, and versatile I/O options. With 2 N.2 slots, superior build quality, and a 180-degree cover, the list of advantages goes on. Good stuff. Up next, meet the Acer Nitro 17, the runner-up of today's rundown. This laptop stands out with a unique blend of performance and features at an affordable price point. It delivers impressive 1440p gaming capabilities alongside a surprisingly enduring battery life, making it one of the best value-for-money gaming laptops currently available. Constructed primarily from plastic, the Acer Nitro 17 exudes a robust feel unusual for its class. The screen and keyboard resist bending, adding to the overall durability. Acer has incorporated a metallic screen cover, stylish rear exhaust vents that don't hinder airflow, and deep-set heatsink fans that are challenging to touch accidentally, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. The laptop's keyboard deck features smooth plastic that effectively resists fingerprints, while the lower casing is rougher and textured. The 17.3-inch QHD display with a refresh rate of 165 Hz promises an immersive viewing experience. Coupled with advanced cooling technology, a 4-zone RGB keyboard, and NitroSense software, you're in full control of your gaming environment. Under the hood, the Acer Nitro 17 is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS octa-core processor, delivering high-grade gaming performance right where it matters. With Precision Boost, you can achieve up to 5.1 GHz speed for high-demand games. The laptop also features an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, designed for gamers and creators alike. Based on the highly efficient NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture, it provides a significant boost in performance and AI-driven graphics. The 17.3-inch QHD 2560 by 1440 display with a swift 165 Hz refresh rate ensures seamless and superior gaming experiences. Enhanced with NVIDIA G-Sync and advanced Optimus features, it guarantees heightened levels of performance for gaming, movie streaming, and any other on-screen activities. The Acer Nitro 17 also boasts an improved casing design with enhanced cooling capabilities. It includes dual fans, dual intakes, top and bottom, and a quad exhaust system. The cooling effect is further amplified by the liquid metal thermal paste that facilitates more efficient heat transfer between the CPU and the heatsink. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Introducing the Gigabyte Aorus 15, our top pick as the best budget gaming laptop of 2024. From the outside, it's hard to tell that this sleek device is a gaming beast, but when you lift the lid, you're greeted by a powerhouse combination of a 13th generation Intel Core i7 processor and NVIDIA's RTX 4070 mobile GPU. This potent duo allows the Aorus 15 to take advantage of NVIDIA's state-of-the-art frame generation AI technology. Leveraging deep learning super sampling, DLSS, This technology enhances your gaming experience by adding more frames. At first glance, the Aorus 15 exudes a sense of sophistication with its subdued design. It has subtle hints of its gaming nature, like the per-key RGB lighting and the bright strip beneath the display. With Gigabyte's Control Center software, you can customize these lighting effects to match your taste. Despite its slim profile of 0.82 inches when closed, the Aorus 15 feels solid and substantial, weighing in at 4.96 pounds. The metallic top screen and the plastic base form a sturdy structure that displays quality craftsmanship. There's no hint of any creaking or flaking, and the lid opens effortlessly to reveal a 15.6-inch 2560 by 1440 display. Under the hood, the Aorus 15 houses an NVIDIA RTX 4070 mobile GPU and a 13th generation Intel i7 processor. It also boasts 16 gigabytes of high-speed DDR5 memory, which is expandable up to 64 gigabytes, and a terabyte of NVMe storage for the OS drive, extendable up to 8 terabytes. To keep this powerful machine cool, there are numerous fan openings. The majority of the heat is expelled via the rear exhaust system, which extends about an inch from the laptop. One of the noticeable design enhancements this year is the rear placement of most ports, including an HDMI 2.1 port, DisplayPort 1.4, a Thunderbolt port with power support, and DC power. This positioning helps to minimize cable clutter, especially when the laptop is plugged in. The Aorus 15 is undeniably a formidable gaming machine. Users have reported achieving over 60 FPS on ultra settings in almost all games tested. The QHD display delivers sharp contrasts and vibrant colors, and the 165Hz refresh rate ensures smooth gameplay. During regular use, the Aorus remains quiet, with fan noise barely noticeable during video playback, web browsing, or other common tasks. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best gaming laptops in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.